Ladies, chika, actress, may chismis tungkol sa Don Bell. Sabi niya, totoo namang may relasyon talaga ang dalawa. Ito nga ang chika niya. For all the fake news peddlers out there, let Don Bell prove you wrong multiple times. Kasi naman, what others don't know, they can't ruin. Can't blame that Donnie and Belle want it private, to protect their personal lives, private but proud, open secret. They aren't hiding it, they are protecting it. It's a big difference.